Done.
So I've already prepped my skin and did my eyebrows and my eyelids. I prepped my skin using the Badescu facial spray and the NYX Honeydew Me Up primer, of course, as usual. For my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So for my next shade, I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And I think I want to use the shade Bori, which is this pretty pink shade, but it has some like little reflex in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. It's pigmented. So for the next shade, I'm going to use the color Makita, and that's going to go right in the crease and blend a little bit into the purple, but not too far up. To cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is going to be the shimmery champagne shade, and that's going to go starting on the inner corner and work my way in just a little bit. And the next shade is going to be the transition shade that I used earlier, and that's going to go along the edge of that shimmery shade. Okay, so for the next shade, I'm going to go back into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to go in with Bori, and that's going to go along the edges of this transition shade and blend into that. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be Makita, and that's going to go on the outer corner along the pink and blend out. And for the final shade, I'm going to go in with this matte black in the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and that's going to go in the outer corner and blend into that purple. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. For lashes, I'm going to use the Miss 3D Lash in the style M358. So to prime my skin, I'm going to use the Farsali Skintune Blur Perfecting Serum. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powder. And the foundation I'll be using will be the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F13. I forgot to color correct. I always forget to do this. You all know I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange and my Makeup Forever foundation stick to color correct. To contour, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F15. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX HD Concealer in Caramel. Now, to set all of that in place, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in medium deep. To bronze and powder contour my face, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium dark. And I'm going to use the contour in Sculpt shade. Oh, I need a feel. Lord Jesus. I need a feeling. Do not judge my nails. Thank you. Whew. Child. Now to brush away the setting powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Better Skin in Coconut. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Bori. And I'm also going to go in with that transition shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette to smoke that out. Gonna hit my waterline with some black eyeliner with my little baby pencil. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my lower lashes. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the same shade that I used when I started out the colors on my lid, which is that pretty pink champagne shade, just to kind of add a little more drama on the inner corner. For blush, I'm going to use the MAC Pro Longwear blush, and this is in Make You Mine. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter, and this is an Apricot Glow. But before I put on my highlight, I'm going to spray my face using the Matte Finish Setting Spray by NYX. Take my beauty sponge, press that in under the eye. I think I just found my new go-to highlighter. So for lip liner, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Nutmeg. So the lippy that I use is the matte liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in Dirty Peach.